HiFiMAN has just released a new headphone. Now, this is the ISVARNA headphone. It's a very different kind of headphone from what they've been making in the past. HiFiMAN tend to use one driver for almost every set they release, but this time around they went ahead to combine two different drivers in the ISVARNA headphone, where you have a planar magnetic driver and then you have a dynamic driver that will handle your low frequencies. This is how they have made this set. This headphone is very expensive. The Icevana is $2,900. This is the price tag it's going to launch with. It's not a cheap headphone. It's a headphone that many people might find difficult to buy. The Icevana is an over-ear planar magnetic closed-back headphone. It's going to give you insane amount of details in terms of resolution. Now, one thing this headphone comes with is the company's stealth magnet technology. Now, this stealth magnet tech optimizes and reduces the air turbulence and diffraction between the magnets. It will basically allow sound to pass between the magnets unaffected. So this is something really, really, really nice. This supports minimal disruption to sound quality that is often experienced with traditional driver magnets. The Esvana incorporates also HiFiMAN's nanometer thickness diaphragm. So this is something they get to give you as well. This particular new thickness diaphragm will allow the headphone to provide extremely fast response with wide dynamic range and frequency characteristic, as well as low frequency production in general. And you will also have very low distortion and high transient response. So this is a beast of a headphone. In fact, the Ice Runner is more expensive than the company's HE 1000 unveiled, the one I just talked about a while back. It's a little bit more expensive than it. It's also more expensive than the Aria unveiled. The Aria unveiled that was announced last month, and it's more expensive than the Ananda BT 2024 edition as well. So this headphone is very expensive. Frequency response on the Icevana is 6 hertz to 60 kilohertz, which is insane. It has a sensitivity of 93 decibels. Impedance is 16 ohms. It just weighs around 454 grams. This is its weight. It's okay for the most part. It should be able to work with most amplifiers. Doesn't look like it's too power hungry. The Ice Runner is kind of like the company's first to come with these two drivers, where you have a dynamic driver that's handling your bass and a full range planer that's going to make use of your mids as well as your high frequencies to give you the best sound quality that probably the brand has been able to put together in terms of headphones that they sell to consumers. This is a very good product from what I can already see. My only issue is the design doesn't really look too appealing. Maybe people might see it as an ugly set or look like a Gredo headphones. But it's what it is. I'll drop details down below for you guys if you're interested in this beast of a headphone. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.